बिहारी जय गोपीजन यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन यशोदान जमुना तीर वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन यशोदा जमुना तीर वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीर वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद जय श्री हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 जय गौरनिताय जय कृष्ण बलराम ललिता विशाखा जय राधे श्याम प्रभुपाद जय जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतशी श्रीमद् डिवाइन ग्रेस अभय चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शिल प्रभुपाद की जय। इस्कॉन फाउंडर आचार्य बीबीटी फाउंडर आचार्य डिवाइन ग्रेस शिल प्रभुपाद की जय। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतशी श्रीमद् डिवाइन ग्रेस भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी शिल प्रभुपाद की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव भक्तवृंद की जय। नामाचार्य शिल हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद की जय। राधा कृष्ण गोपी गोपीनाथ राधा कुंड श्यामा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की जय। मथुरा वृंदावन धाम की जय। नवद्वीप मायापुर धाम की जय। गंगा मैया की जय। जमुना मैया की जय। भक्ति देवी की जय। तुलसी महारानी की जय। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। श्री श्री गौर निताय की जय। कृष्ण बलराम की जय। राधा श्याम सुंदर ललिता विशाखा देवी की जय। ऑल ग्लोरी टू असेंबली ऑफ डिवोटीज। ऑल ग्लोरी टू असेंबली ऑफ डिवोटीज। ऑल ग्लोरी टू असेंबली ऑफ डिवोटीज। श्री गुरु श्री गौरांग श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। कृष्णसुधामुपगते धर्मज्ञानादिभिः सह कलौ नष्टदृशामेष पुराणार्कधुनाउदितः। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th Canto, Chapter 60, Krishna teaches Rukmani. Text 30. Mukham cha prema samrambha स्फुरिता अधरम इक्षितुम कटाक्षेपानुना पांगम सुंदर भ्रू कुटितटम मुखम च प्रेम संभ्रम स्फुरिताधरम इक्षितुम कटाक्षेपानुपांगम सुंदर भ्रूकुटितटम मुखम च प्रेम संभ्रम स्फुरिताधरमीक्षितं कटाक्षेपारुणापांगम सुंदर भ्रूकुटितटम मुखम च प्रेम संभ्रम स्फुरिताधरमीक्षितुं कटाक्षेपारुणोपांगम सुंदर भ्रूकुटितटम। word meaning. Mukham, the face. Cha, end. Prema, of love. Samrambha, by the agitation. Spurita, trembling. Adharam, with lips. Ikhitum, to see. Kata, of sidelong glances. Khepa, by the throwing. Aruna, reddish. Apangam, corners of the eyes. Sundara, beautiful. Bhru, of the eye, of the eyebrows. Kuti, the furrowing. Tatam, on the edge. Translation purport by Divine Grace, the disciples of His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Translation. I also wanted to see your face with lips trembling in loving anger, the reddish corners of your eyes throwing sidelong glances, and the line of your beautiful eyebrows knit in a frown. Purport. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti explains here that normally, by the Lord's transcendental desire, His pure devotees reciprocate with Him in such a way that they satisfy His spiritual desires. But Rukmani's love was so strong that her unique mood predominated in this situation. And thus, instead of becoming angry, she fainted and fell down to the ground. Far from displeasing Krishna, however, she increased his transcendental ecstasy by exhibiting her all-encompassing love for him. Om Ajnanaatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shailakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamaham Dadati Swapadantikam. Vande Aham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatanitam Tang Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Visakhanitamscha Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin iti namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatarine. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratisai Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyevacha patitanang pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mukham cha prema sambrambha Spuritadharam ikhitum Katakhe parunapangam Sundara bhrukuti tatam. I also wanted to see your face with lips trembling in loving anger, the reddish corners of your eyes throwing sidelong glances, and the line of your beautiful eyebrows knit in a frown. So, Krishna is the ultimate enjoyer of all the rasas, rasa vaisaha. He is all the rasas means there is 5 mellows, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told that only 4 are accepted in, because these 4 Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, Madhurya, there is a service motive. And there is a neutral mode near that is Santa. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu declared that Chari bhave prema diya tarimo sangsar. I will distribute this Krishna prema, love of Krishna, these 4 moods. Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, Madhurya. But Krishna is the ultimate enjoyer in these 4 moods. Specifically, in Braja, there is a Braja, the 4 moods. Krishna is all devotees in every rasa. Raktak, Chitrak, Patrak in Dasya. Sakhya, Siddham, Subal, Madhumangal, all these devotees. Vatsalya, Mother Jasoda, Nanda, and elderly Gopas and Gopis. And Madhurya, there is Braja, there is Parakya Madhurya. Parakya bhave jaha brajete prachar. So, this is Radharani and other gopis. So, this is in Brajalila. But Krishna has pastime places, 3 places, in Vrindavan, in Dwarka and Mathura. So, now Krishna is in Dwarka. So, Dwarka there is Sokya Madhurya. Madhurya to, this is the conjugal love, Madhurya rasa. But Madhurya is in 2 types, Parakya and Sokya. Sokya Madhurya, Krishna is now enjoying in Dwarka. So Dwarka is Dwarkadhish. He is a king. And he, how many queens? 16,108 queens. And they are residing there as husband and wives. But here, Braja, there is Paramars, like Krishna was a Paramar. There is this Parakya rasa. So, but Krishna is also in his original figure, or as a Swayam Bhagavan, as a Brajendra Nandana Krishna. He is in Braja. But his expansion is a Vasudeva Krishna. In Dwaraka, who is there? Vasudeva Krishna. Because in Akrur Ghat, when Krishna went to Mathura, the Vasudeva Krishna went to Mathura and Dwaraka. And the Brajendra Nandan Krishna, he stays in Braja forever. He never leaves Braja. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told to Rupa Goswami, Krishna ko bahira na karaha Braja haite, Braja chhadi Krishna kabhu na jaye kahante. Don't take Krishna out of Braja. He never leave Braja. He always remain in Braja. Krishna eka jadu sambhuta jastu Brajendra Nandana Vrindavana paritejyang padam ekang nagacchati. Rudra Jamala, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu quoted, he told, this is Shastra, the verdict of the Shastra. The son of Vasudeva and Devaki and the son of Nanda and Jasoda. Krishna, I accept only 2 names of Krishna. जशोदानंदन श्याम सुंदर दुई मात्र जानी कृष्ण शब्द रे बहु अर्थ नामानी चैतन्य महाप्रभु told. Still, when Krishna appeared in pastimes once in one day of Brahma, that is in a 28th Chaturjuga cycle of Vaivasvata Manu. This now is continuing. So that Dwapar only once in one day of Brahma Krishna appeared, Brajendra Nandana Krishna. So when Krishna appeared, all the incarnations are merged in his body. So Vasudeva Krishna was also in the body of Krishna and this Jashodanandana Krishna, Brajendranandana Krishna in Braja. But then he has to kill, because he has to kill so many demons, Krishna's business is not to kill demon. That's why Vasudeva Krishna was within his body. He was killing the demons. Then after the demons finished in Braja, then he have to go to Mathura to kill Kamsa. So he went to, Vasudeva Krishna just went to Mathura, and from Mathura went to Dwaraka. After fighting with Jarasandha, we have already discussed these things before. So now Krishna in Dwaraka, and there is Vasudeva Krishna is in opulence. Because there is Narayana, there is Krishna. There is what is the difference between two? Generally, there is no difference in public eyes, everyone thinks the same. But Rupa Goswami told that is the four difference. Venu Madhuri, Rupa Madhuri, his Leela Madhuri, his childhood pastimes, and also his affairs with the gopis. This is a conjugal affairs in a paramar, as a paramar lover. The Parakya Rasa. These are these special things with Krishna. So, in Dwaraka, Vasudeva Krishna is Narayana. He was, generally this Vaikuntha world is for way and reverence and with opulence, pastimes. But Krishnadas Kaviraj used to say, Krishnera madhuri dekhi Vasudevara khyobha sei madhuri aswadite upujaye lobha. Because this Vasudeva Krishna, he was within the body of Brajendra Nandani Braja. So he saw all the pastimes, Braja pastimes of Krishna. So he developed greedy, lobha, to enjoy also those pastimes, like Brajendra Nandana Krishna was enjoying with gopis, Parakya Rasa. And we know this, the lovers, this gopi in Vrindavan, they chastise Krishna, they rebuke Krishna, they do mana, mana means the sakhi behaviors. But Krishna told, Mane jodi gopi mare karai vatsana, Vedastuti haite se haraye amara mana. If these gopis, they cow out themselves, they chastise me, speak harsh words, they speak so many things to me, they try to chastise me. But I was simply laughing within, and I was enjoying it like anything. These great sages and the rishis, and they chanting so many mantras, Brahma Sangita, this Purusha Sukta, so many prayers. But this chapter, the loving exchange between these gopis, their so-called harsh words, I like. I enjoy this like anything. So because Vasudeva Krishna, he is also like now want to enjoy that rasa by chastising, he want to have some loving exchange, like Krishna has with gopis. So, but Rukmani, of course, Rupa Goswami says in his drama, his Lalita Madhava and Vidagdha Madhava, he told that this true Satyabhama and Rukmani, their expansion of Satyabhama is the expansion of Radharani and Rukmani is the expansion of Chandravali. So in Braja also we see Radharani and Chandravali, the mood of both. It's called leftist wing and rightist wing. Who is the leader of left wing? Gopis, Radharani. Right wing is Chandravali. Chandravali is very peaceful. He don't quarrel with Krishna. He always be very respectful to Krishna. I want to, whatever Krishna says, he accept it. Even Krishna neglects her, go to Radharani. After a long time, maybe Krishna come to it, but still, Chandravali outwardly smile and he welcome Krishna and as if nothing happened. But inside, of course, Chandravali become very angry, but that is not, he did not show that to outside. But here we see, though the Rukmani was expansion of Chandravali, it said, but Rukmani is both outward and inward, both same, as explained in this connection. So, but Krishna likes Radharani. Radharani was within, as she has so much love for Krishna, could not separate Jugaitam Nimeshana Chakyusa, but Prahusayatam, one fraction of a second. She cannot tolerate the separation of Krishna. But still, outwardly when Krishna do something wrong, Radharani could not tolerate. Specifically, Radharani Sakhis like Lalita, they will start chastising Krishna. you are, that Krishna is enjoying such chastisement. So, we see that how Krishna also wanted to enjoy the same rasas in Dwaraka. And he described before that how Krishna just one time Narad Muni came and he gave a Parijat flower to Krishna and Krishna gave that flower to Rukmani. Then Chandravali become very distant. She is in the mood of, in a Manini, Sakhi behavior. Stop talking to Krishna. Krishna tried to pacify Satyabhama, Satyabhama not pacified. Externally it looks like she is so much envious of Rukmani. Rukmani was very peaceful. So Krishna just to pacify Satyabhama, he went to heavenly planet and brought the whole Parijat tree and just planted in the courtyard of Satyabhama. Then Krishna wanted to see what is the reaction of Rukmani. But Rukmani was not disturbed, undisturbed. Like Chandravali in Braja. Chandravali was not disturbed any time, whether he disturbed maybe internally, but not so outwardly. Krishna, but so Krishna want to see some mana, some Sakhi behavior from also from Rukmani. That you want to teach Rukmani. He saw that still Rukmani is not disturbed. What is? How? I gave the whole Parijata tree to Satyabhama, but Rukmani is supposed to be become envious like Satyabhama must disturb, must tell something. Her behavior must be changed towards me. But no, nothing, no change. She was completely surrendered to Krishna. Like Narayan, Lakshmi Narayan, relation of Lakshmi Narayan. The Lakshmi Narayan, the relations, Lakshmi is always surrendered to Narayan. Never complain for anything. Prabhupada also wrote in this Krishna book, in this chapter, that actually Rukmani is the goddess of fortune herself. She is a goddess of fortune herself. Prabhupada is writing, Rukmani was none other than the original goddess of fortune, who is always engaged in the service of the lotus feet of Narayan. So in the same awe and reverence and in a respectful mood, Rukmani always gives so much respect to Krishna. She did not want to disturb Krishna anyway. He wanted to let Krishna. He was the first queen, And he is the top, foremost of all the 16,108 queens. And Krishna also most of the times he stays with Rukmani. He never leaves Rukmani and go to the other queens. Though Narad Muni saw that yes, Krishna was at the same time in the 16,108 queens palace, same time when enjoying with all queens. But Rukmani was thinking of the little his pride, that oh, I am the most beloved queen of Krishna. Krishna never leaves my palace. Krishna always stay with me. I am the topmost among the all queens of Krishna. And I never complain. My husband married so many other princes. I never complain. So Krishna loves me so much. Definitely Krishna loves me better than any other queen, including Satyabhama. Within that type of feelings was within Rukmani. That's why Krishna was thinking to little test, as Prabhupada is writing, the great authority Sukadeva Goswami remarks that Krishna almost always passed his time with Rukmani. And Rukmani was a bit proud to be so fortunate that Krishna never left her even for a moment. Krishna, however, does not like any of his devotees to be proud. As soon as devotee become so by some tactic, he cuts down that pride. In this case also, Krishna said many things which were hard for Rukmani to hear. She could only conclude that although she was proud of her position, Krishna could be separated from her at any moment. So just Krishna wanted to cut the pride, that little pride within mind of Rukmani. Nothing can be sacred to Krishna. He could understand everything. So Rukmani was conscious that her husband was not an ordinary human being. He was the supreme personality of Godhead, the master of three worlds. By the way he was speaking, she was afraid of being separated from the Lord, for she had never heard such harsh words from Krishna before. Thus she became perplexed with fear of separation, and her heart began to palpitate. Without replying to a word to Krishna's statement, she simply cried in great anxiety, as if being drowned in an ocean of grief. She silently and felt the ground with the nails of her toes, which were reflecting reddish light on the ground. The tears from her eyes were pink, mixed with the black cosmetic ointment from her eyelids, and the waters were dropping down, washing the kunkuma and saffron from her breasts. Choked up on account of great anxiety, unable to speak even a word, she kept her head downward and remained standing just like a stick. Due to extremely painful fearfulness and lamentation, she lost her reasoning power and became so weak that immediately her body lost so much weight that the bangles on her wrists became slackened. The chamar with which she was serving Krishna immediately fell down from her hand. Her brain and memory became puzzled, and she lost consciousness. The nicely combed hair on her head scattered here and there. and she fell down straight like a banana tree, cut down by a whirlwind. Lord Krishna immediately realized that Rukmani had not taken his words in a joking spirit. She had taken them very seriously, and in her extreme anxiety of her immediate separation from him, she had fallen into this condition. Lord Sri Krishna is naturally very affectionate toward his devotees, and seeing Rukmani's condition, his heart immediately became softened. At once he became merciful to her. The relationship between Krishna and Rukmani was as Lakshmi Narayan. Therefore, he appeared before her in his four-armed manifestation of Narayan. He got down from the bedstead and brought her up by his hands, and placing his cooling hands on her face, smoothed the scattered hairs on her head. Lord Krishna dried the wet breast of Rukmaniji with his hand. Understanding the seriousness of Rukmani's love for him, he embraced her to his chest. The Supreme Personality is very expert in putting a thing reasonably for one's understanding, and thus he tried to retract all that he said before. He is the only resort of all the devotees, and so he knows very well how to satisfy his pure devotees. Krishna understood that Rukmani could not follow the statements which he had made in joking way. To counteract her confusion, he again began to speak as follows. O my dear daughter of King Vidarbha, my dear Rukmani, please do not misunderstand me. Don't be unkind unto me like this. I know you are sincerely and seriously attached to me. You are my eternal companion. The words which I have affected you so much are not factual. I wanted to irritate you a bit, and I was expecting you to make counter answers to those joking words. Unfortunately, you have taken them seriously. I am very sorry for it. I expected that your red lips would tremble in anger on hearing my statement, and you would chastise me in many words. O perfection of love, I never expected that your condition would be like this. I expected that you would put your blinking eyes upon me in retaliation, and in that way I would be able to see your beautiful face in that angry mood. So now this verse is just this end of this statement. Prabhupada, that is Prabhupada is explaining this verse 31st, that I am very sorry for it. I expected that your red lips would tremble in anger on hearing my statement, and you would chastise me in many words. O perfection of love, I never expected that your condition would be like this. So Krishna is, after Rukmani could not tolerate these things. Krishna was telling just a jest or a joking way, just to enjoy this madhurya rasa. That is later statement Krishna will take. Tell that, oh, we are grahasthas, we are so busy in our different duties. So when we come to home, we generally like to enjoy little happiness by just talking in that way of joking or jest, just with our wives. But you do not understand this joking. You take everything very seriously. So in this way, Krishna first tells so many things to Rukmani, then Rukmani becomes fainted. Then Krishna again tried his best to pacify Rukmini. Now Rukmini will gradually understand. Now Rukmini could understand the whole situation, what happened. Then there may be, Rukmini started smiling. But after she started speaking to Krishna. Krishna told just 9 verses to Rukmini. Then she spoke about 14 verses afterward, just to Krishna. In this same chapter, Rukmini cut all the statements of Krishna. That how Krishna told, you are a daughter of a queen like Bhishmaka, he was a king, you are a princess, you are like goddess of fortune, you are worshipped by everyone like this. I am simply a coward boy. All these things Krishna told. Then Rukmini will start. That you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and you are the enjoyer of the Sri, Bhu and Lila, 3 principal opulence of Krishna. And everyone knows. And what about me? I am simply ordinary woman in this material planet. In this way, Rukmini started to cut her. Though Rukmini is also not an ordinary woman. She is also the goddess, as Prabhupada told here, that goddess of fortune herself. So what then happened to Radharani? What Radharani has happened there? If there's Rukmini is this goddess of fortune, then Radharani is the source of all the opulences of Krishna. Sri, Bhu, or Nila, these 3, they are all emanating from whom? From Radharani. Radharani is the original Allahadini potency, preserving potency of Krishna. And Rukmani, Satyabhama, they are simply expansion of Radharani. All this, even including Chandravali, they are all expansion of Radharani. So in this way, here we can see how Rukmani's love is so pure. It is. She is so pure. There is no other queen in Dwaraka could be compared to Rukmani in her love and surrender to, totally, fully, 100% surrender to Krishna. Like in Sikhyastaka, we generally chant the last verse, Ashli Shiva Padaratang Pinostuma Adarsanat Marmahatang Karutuva Jatha Tathava Vidadhatu Lampata Mat Prananathastu Saevana Para. This verse generally I told that is applied for Radharani. Radharani is in that mood. But here we see the Rukmani's behavior also, there is some similarity with this statement. She is completely surrendered. Whether Krishna, you embrace me, you kick me out from your lotus feet. In any situation, you may be enjoying so many other gopis or other women, but any way, in any situation, you are only my beloved. You are only my prananath. You are everything for me. I am fully surrendered to your lotus feet. That is the mood of here, Rukmani also. We see the Krishna's pastime in Prema Sarovar. We know that how simply Radha, Krishna and gopis, they are sitting together, and Radharani was sitting on the lap of Krishna. And even that one just bumblebee started to disturb Radharani. Coming just here, they are thinking the face of Radharani as a lotus. So tried just moving here, they had to sit on the face of Radharani. And Radharani tried to just keep away this bumblebee, but he is not going again coming. So there is one joker, who? Madhumangal. A funny, his coward boyfriend of Krishna, he came, he is a Brahmin boy, and just with his stick and with his cloth, just took away this bumblebee. Just took it far away and told, I took the bumblebee, he went far away. He will never come back again. Madhusudan already left. He will never come back again. So Madhusudan means both. Madhusudan means also this bumblebee, and Madhusudan means also Krishna. Krishna is known as Madhusudan. So Radharani, though sitting on the lap of Krishna, she feels separation from Krishna. Then Madhusudan left just hearing the word of Madhumangala. So that's how Radharani could not bear even hearing the separation of Krishna. So that's why she started crying. Then Krishna was told, what is it? Krishna started crying. All the gopis become crying, and their tears just become this big pond. This small lake, Prema Sarovar, with the tear. Prema Sarovar. But here, what did Rukmani? Rukmani in that platform? Simply hearing the separation of Krishna, fainted, started crying and little less. Who? Rukmani. Rukmani, after personally told by Krishna that I will going to leave you, but Radharani just hearing from the other, on the third person, and sitting on the lap of Krishna, still she feels separation from Krishna. So you see, in Dwaraka, among the 16,108 queens of Krishna, Rukmani is, no doubt, is the number one queen. She pleases Krishna topmost. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. 5 minutes is there. So any question or comment? Yes. Though Krishna knows everything, but for enjoyment of their pastimes, their Jogamaya Devi, she her role. There is internal potency of Krishna. There is in Braja is Purnamasi, and anyhow, for the enjoyment of the pastimes, by the influence of the Jogamaya, they forgot for sometimes everything. Though he knows everything, though he is knower of everything, but still for their pastimes, because they have to enjoy their pastimes, so that's why there is role of Jogamaya. We are bewildered by Mahamaya, the external potency, but internal potencies. Sometimes they, to do this, but to enjoy Krishna's pastime, that Krishna must enjoy some pastimes. So they are play their role. So Krishna forgets sometimes, as if he did not know anything. Okay. So any other question? Yes. I not understand because sound is little distance mic. Pastimes of Rukmani and Krishna. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Replica of the pastime of Rukmini and Krishna is visible in the material world. How to understand?
How to understand? This is not, we are this in our eyes, this Braja also material world. It is material world. These people say, it is material world. What Gopakumar saw, he went also to Goloka Vrindavan and come to this Vrindavan. Then what was his experience? He told both are same. I saw the same. Broth Bhagavatam. So this is the same Vrindavan. Premanjana churita bhakti vilochanena santha sadaiva hrudayesu vilokayanti yang shyama sundaram achintya guna surupam govindam adi purusam tamahang bhajami. It is only our eye. We have to this be Premanjana churita, anointed with love. So we cannot see. Goswamis were seeing the Braja in the different angle. Gopal Champu was written, that is, Jiva Goswami is writing, he is telling, whatever I am seeing, I am writing. I am not saying, whatever I am seeing, I am writing. They saw these things, what they wrote. So they are seeing the eternal pastimes in their writing. So we have not that eye. We don't have that. We are not in that platform. So everything is there. Krishna is there. Pastimes is also going on, but we cannot see. So not material world. Dwarka is also eternal pastime place of Dwarkadis. Navadip also this kind, or Mayapur is also eternal pastime place of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Time to time Mahaprabhu appeared to different acharyas. When they come, Mahaprabhu also gave them. He gave darshan to Jayadev, gave darshan to the Ram. When Ramanujacharya come, when Madhvacharya go, Mahaprabhu appeared to them. So Krishna's pastime is eternal. They are going on. Still. अद्यावधि नित्य लीला करे गौरा राय कोनो कोनो भाग्यवान देखी बारे पाए ओके यस The expansion, yes. This is Rupa Goswami told in his dramas. Yes. Dwarka Lila, she is the principal queen, who is Rukmani. Of course, Satyabhama's role, Krishna too, personally Satyabhama too. Because he Bhu Shakti. That's why this Narakasura was son of Bhumi. So to kill in front of Satyabhama, without permission of Bhumi, Krishna could not kill this Narakasura. That's why he took Rukmani and Satyabhama, and by Satyabhama's permission, kill that Narakasura. So Satyabhama is also equally important for Krishna. But still, there is a mood of way of reverence in Sukya Rasa. In Parakya Rasa, Radharani is topmost. But in Sukya Rasa, there is different mood as a husband-wife. Okay? Srila Prabhupada ki